Hey there! I recently bought and tested these human hair wigs so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Trust me, I've been down the rabbit hole of choosing the right wig, and I'm here to share my honest experiences with these top 5 picks. Let's dive in. Product number 1. Pizzazz 13x6 Body Wave Lace Front Wig. I recently got my hands on the Pizzazz 13x6 Body Wave Transparent Lace Front Wig, and let me tell you, it was an experience. This wig is crafted from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair, and you can feel the quality the moment you take it out of the box. The body wave style gives it a natural bounce, and the moment I put it on, I felt like I was ready for a night out. The large 13x6 HD transparent lace made it easy to style. I could create a middle part or a side part effortlessly. The lace blended beautifully with my skin, making it hard to tell where the wig ended and my hair began. I also loved how the wig was pre-plucked with baby hair, which added to the natural look. I wore it for a day out and it held up beautifully, no tangling or shedding. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros? First off, the density is fantastic at 180, giving it a full, thick appearance without looking fake. It's versatile, meaning you can dye or style it just like your natural hair. The adjustable straps and combs inside the wig cap provided a secure fit, so I didn't have to worry about it slipping off. On the downside, the price tag at $148.49 might be a bit steep for some, but I genuinely think it's worth the investment if you want quality. So, why should you buy it? If you're looking for a wig that combines style, comfort, and versatility, this Pizzazz wig is definitely a solid choice. It's perfect for various occasions, from casual outings to special events, and it feels just like your own hair. You won't regret this purchase. Product number 2. Gearina 13x6 Body Wave Lace Front Wig, which is another gem. Coming in at a price of $79.99, this wig is made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair and boasts a remarkable 200% density. I was genuinely impressed by how thick and luxurious it felt straight out of the box. As I put it on, the soft and comfortable texture hugged my scalp nicely, making it easy to forget I was even wearing a wig. What really stood out to me was the HD lace, which is transparent and blends seamlessly into my skin tone. The craftsmanship here is evident. It's handcrafted with attention to detail, making it suitable for various hairstyles. I played around with different styles, from a sleek ponytail to loose waves, and it held its shape beautifully. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can bleach, dye, or perm it without worry. As for the pros and cons, the pros include its affordability for 200% density, ease of styling, and comfort. The adjustable straps and combs made it easy to fit securely without any risk of slippage. The only con I found was that it might not be ideal for those with larger heads, as it fits medium size, 22 to 22.5 inches. Why should you buy it? If you want a high-density wig that feels and looks natural without breaking the bank, the Gearina Lace Front Wig is a fantastic choice. It's a great option for both everyday wear and special occasions, and it will surely boost your confidence.
Product number 3. SMA Beauty 13x6 Body Wave Lace Front Wig. Let's talk about the SMA Beauty 13x6 Body Wave Lace Front Wig. Priced at $59.49, this wig is an incredible deal for anyone looking for quality on a budget. Made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair, it has a soft and natural feel that I absolutely adored. When I first tried it on, the 180% density gave it a full, vibrant look, and I felt instantly glamorous. The HD transparent lace is another highlight, as it allowed for a natural hairline and versatile styling options. I could easily create different parts or even throw it up in a high ponytail. Throughout the day, I didn't experience any tangling or shedding, which is a huge plus. The wig cap is adjustable, which made it comfortable to wear for long periods, and it fit perfectly on my head. As for the pros and cons, the main pro is its affordability for the quality you get. It's versatile and can be styled in numerous ways, making it suitable for any occasion.
The only downside is that while it's great for everyday wear, it may not hold up as well under extreme styling compared to higher-end options. So why should you buy it? If you're searching for a high-quality wig without a hefty price tag, the Smab Beauty wig is a smart investment. It's perfect for anyone from wig beginners to seasoned wearers, and it'll elevate your look effortlessly. Product number 4. NVX NSP69 KIT 6x9 car speakers. The NVX NSP69 KIT 6x9 car speakers caught my attention because of their impressive specifications. With a peak power of 920 watts and an RMS of 320 watts, I was excited to see how they'd perform. After installation, I was immediately struck by the high-fidelity audio they produced. The Silk Dome tweeters delivered a level of clarity that I've rarely experienced, and the overall soundstage was immersive. I could hear details in my music that I never noticed before. The pros are the durable construction of these speakers ensures that they will stand the test of time, even in the demanding environment of a car. The ease of installation was another highlight. They fit perfectly in my vehicle without any modifications needed. On the flip side, the sensitivity rating of 89 decibels meant that they might require a bit more power than some other options to really shine. Why buy it? If you're looking for speakers that combine great sound quality with durability, the NVX NSP69 KIT is a solid choice. They provide an immersive listening experience and are versatile enough for various vehicle setups. Product number 5. UVV Wear and Go Glueless Bob Wig, which is priced at an affordable $46.77. This short bob wig has quickly become my go-to for a quick and effortless style. Made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian human hair, it feels incredibly soft and healthy against the skin. I love how easy it is to throw on and go, which is a lifesaver for my busy mornings. The 4x4 body wave design gives it a natural volume and movement, and I found the 180% density to be just right. The pre-plucked hairline and baby hair added that extra touch of realism, making it look like my own hair. The adjustable strops and combs made it fit snugly without any fuss. As for pros and cons, the biggest pro is the convenience factor. It's perfect for those who may not have the time or skills to deal with more complicated wigs. On the downside, because it's a bob, it might not have the versatility of longer wigs, but that's not what it's designed for. So why should you buy it? If you're in the market for a no-fuss, stylish wig that you can wear daily, the UVV Bob Wig is an ideal choice. It's perfect for any occasion, whether you're heading to work or out for a casual day with friends. In conclusion, each of these wigs has its unique strengths, catering to different styles and preferences. Whether you want something dramatic like the Cuzo Burgundy wig, or a simple, fuss-free option like the UVV Bob, there's a perfect wig out there for everyone. I hope this video helps you make a confident choice in your next wig purchase.